Most people misunderstand preparedness. They think it looks like fear, like urgency, like constant motion. But in my experience, preparedness is quiet. Prepared people don't rush, they don't panic, they don't talk much about what they've done. Because when preparation is done correctly, there's nothing left to perform. Panic is loud by nature. It announces itself. It reacts instead of thinking. It buys instead of planning. You see it every time there's a storm, a shortage, or a crisis. Shelves empty overnight. People scramble for solutions they never bothered to understand. That kind of behavior isn't preparedness, it's delayed responsibility. Preparedness doesn't begin when something goes wrong, it begins quietly, long before anyone notices a problem. Real preparedness doesn't feel dramatic. It looks like regular maintenance instead of emergency repairs, systems instead of stockpiles, familiar tools instead of brand new gear, calm decisions made ahead of time. Prepared people don't rely on adrenaline, they rely on habits. They know where things are, they know what to do next, they've already thought through the basics. That kind of readiness doesn't make good headlines, but it prevents bad outcomes. There's a difference between imagined problems and experienced ones. People without experience often prepare for extremes. People with experience prepare for the ordinary things that fail first: water, wear, neglect, weather. Experience teaches you that most failures aren't dramatic. They're slow, predictable, and preventable. And once you've seen that, your preparation becomes quieter and more effective. Preparedness isn't fear based, it's responsibility based. It's choosing to handle what you can so others don't have to carry the consequences. It's stewardship of your home, your tools, your time, and of course, your family. When you prepare well, you don't need to convince anyone. The results speak for themselves. Preparedness doesn't shout, it doesn't post updates, it doesn't demand attention. It just works quietly, consistently, and over time. And in a world that rewards noise, quiet competence is becoming rare. If this way of thinking matters to you, I write more about it at hobbiesandhomes.com, where preparation is treated as a skill, not a spectacle.